Eighth question of exercise 8.1. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Right angle triangle. Because without right angle triangle we cannot find the third side. Okay, we take this as A, B, C. This is the reference angle. Solution. 3 cot A is equal to 4. Cot A is equal to what? 4 upon 3. Cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. You know, old Harry and his old aunt. Old Harry and his old aunt. This is sin, cos, tan. O by A is tan. What will be cot? A by O. What will be cot? A by O. A means adjacent is AB, 4 will come here. O means opposite BC, so 3 will go here. We'll take okay, because it is in ratio, so we have to take constant. Then I will find AC using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, what is hypotenuse? AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 3K whole square plus, right, 4K whole square. AC square is equal to 9K square plus 16K square. AC square is equal to 25K square. AC is equal to 5K. So we got the value of AC as 5K. Now we want okay, cos also, sin also, tan also. Why? Because we have to show this that 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So first I will find sin A. Right? Sin A is opposite upon hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to opposite is 3K. Because opposite side of angle A is BC. What is BC? 3K. Upon hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 5K. Sin A. KK gets cancelled. 3 upon 5. Now cos A. Cos A is equal to, what is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. That is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to, what is adjacent? 4K upon, what is hypotenuse? 5K. Right? So it will become, KK gets cancelled. KK gets cancelled. So cos A is equal to 4 upon 5. Now I want tan A also, right? Tan means opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent. So tan A is equal to, what is opposite? 3K upon, what is adjacent? 4K. KK gets cancelled. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Right? Now we have got sin A, cos A and tan A. Now I will solve LHS and then RHS. Now I will take LHS and then RHS. I will rub this and then I will take LHS. Right? What is LHS? 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Right? 1 minus 3 upon 4 whole square upon 1 plus tan square A means what? 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 means 1 upon 1. 3 by 4 square is 9 upon 16. upon 1 means 1 upon 1 plus 3 by 4 square means 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16. I'll rub this now. I will take here, okay? Is equal to. What is the LCM of 1 and 16? 16. Then do cross multiplication. 16 ones are 16. This is minus 9 ones are 9 upon. What is the LCM of 1 and 16? 16. 16 ones are 16 plus 9 ones are 9. This 16 gets cancelled is equal to 16 minus 9 upon 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 9 is 25. So what is 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square A? 7 upon 25. Now we will see RHS. What is RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. I'll keep this in mind. Okay, it is 7 upon 25. I'll write now RHS, and then after placing the values in the RHS, we will see. Okay, what is the answer? RHS is cos square A minus sin square A, right? What was cos A? 4 upon 5. That is 4 by 5 whole square minus what is sin? 3 upon 5 whole square is equal to 16 upon 25, because square of 4 is 16 and square of 5 is 25, minus 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. What is the LCM? 25, because denominator is same, and when denominator is same, we subtract or add the numerator as it is. So this is 16 minus 9 is equal to, what is 16 minus 9? 7 upon 25. So what is cos square A minus sin square A? 7 upon 25. What was left hand side? 7 upon 25. So I can write, therefore, right, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A, because both the sides are same. The value of both the sides is same, that is 7 upon 25. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. The ninth sum. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find number 1. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second bit, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. First we draw right angle triangle. Right angled at B. So this will be B. We'll take this as A and this as C. Tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan means what? Tan means what? Opposite. Old hand is old arm. O by A. O, opposite side is 1K. And adjacent is root 3K. Why we are taking K? Because it is in ratio. So we have to take constant. Find AC using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to, AB is what? Root 3K whole square plus BC is 1K whole square is equal to root 3K square is 3K square. 1K square is 1K square. AC square is equal to 4K square. AC is equal to 2k because square root of 4 is 2 and square root of k square is k. Now I have to find, okay, sin A, cos A, sin C. First I will find sin A and then cos A, and then I will go for sin C and cos C. Sin A, sin is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to, what is sin A? 1k upon 2k. So sin A is equal to, kk gets cancelled, 1 by 2. Now cos A. Cos means what? And means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is, okay, upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Root 3k upon, what is hypotenuse? 2k. Kk gets cancelled. It is root 3 upon 2. Now we have got sin A and cos A. I will find sin C and cos C. Right? I'll rub. Now then I'll find sin A and cos A we have found. Now I'll find sin C, and here I will find cos C. Sin C. Now this is the reference angle. What is sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse, right? Is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. What is opposite side of angle C? Root 3k upon, what is hypotenuse? 2k. So sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Kk gets cancelled. Cos C is equal to, cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Cos C is equal to, what is adjacent? BC. BC means what? 1k. But I will write here, okay. Adjacent upon hypotenuse is equal to, right, 1k upon 2k. Cos C is equal to, kk gets cancelled, 1 by 2. Now we have got the value of sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C. Now okay, find both the bits. First bit, it is sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, right? Sin A is what? 1 by 2, right? Cos C is what? Cos C is what? 1 by 2 plus cos A is what? Cos A is what? Root 3 by 2 into sin C is what? Root 3 by 2. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2s are 4 is equal to, what is the LCM? 4. Because denominator is same, what will come in the numerator? That is 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. So what is the value of sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C? 1. Right? Now I will find the second part. Second bit. Second bit is what? Cos A, cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Cos A. What is the value of cos A? Root 3 by 2 into, what is cos C? 1 by 2 minus, what is sin A? 1 by 2 into, what is sin C? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 ones are root 3 upon 2 twos are 4 minus root 3 ones are root 3 2 2s are 4. What is the answer? 0. The answer is 0. So this say okay, we have found the values of both the bits. Tenth sum. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. First we draw right angle triangle. It is right angle at Q, right? So P and this will be R. PQ is given. How much is PQ? 5 centimeter. So I will start here, okay? PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Let PR is equal to X. Let PR is equal to X. Okay? Therefore, PR plus QR is equal to 25. Again I am writing. What is PR? X plus QR is equal to 25. So QR is equal to 25 minus X. QR is equal to 25 minus X. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem. We will use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PQR, what is hypotenuse? PR. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. What is PR? 25 minus X. This is 25 minus X whole square is equal to PQ is how much? 5 square plus QR is X square. Look at the left hand side. It looks like the identity A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. What is A in this bracket? 25. What is B? X. So what will come? A square means 25 square minus 2AB means 2 into 25 into X plus X square is equal to, this is 25 plus X square. X square gets cancelled, right? What is left? 625 minus 2 into 25 into X is 50X is equal to 25, right? 625. This 25 goes okay on the left hand side, and minus 50x comes on the right hand side, becomes plus 50x. This is 600 is equal to 50x. X is equal to 600 upon 50. 0 0 gets cancelled. X is equal to, what is 60 upon 5? 12. 60 upon 5 is 12. So I got the value of X. X means QR. I will find out here. I'll rub this and then I'll write the values and then we'll find sin P, cos P and tan P. Right? X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. Therefore, what is X? QR. So QR is equal to 12. Now I have to find PR. PR is how much? 25 minus X. 25 minus X. So PR is equal to 25 minus 12. PR is equal to 13. Now what is PR? 13. And what is QR? 12. Now I find sin P. What is sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Right? Sin P. What is opposite? 12 upon hypotenuse is 13. 12 upon 13. Cos P. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Cos P is equal to, what is adjacent? Adjacent is PQ. What is PQ? 5. Upon hypotenuse is 13. And the last part is tan P. Tan is what? O by A. O by A means opposite upon adjacent. Tan P is equal to, what is opposite side of tan angle P? QR. What is QR? 12 upon adjacent is QP. What is QP? 5. Done. The last question of this exercise, question number 11. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answers. First, the value of tan A is always less than 1. It is false. Why false? See here. Tan 60 is equal to what? Root 3. And root 3 is greater than 1. So it is false. Second is sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Reason is true because sec A is greater than or equal to 1. Sec A, I'll write okay in short, in small. Sec A is greater than or equal to 1. Third, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. It is false. Why? Because cos A is used for the abbreviation cosine A, not cosecant. Okay? False. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosine of angle A. Of angle A. Fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. False. Because cot A is single, not the product. Not the product. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. False. Reason, minus 1 is less than or equal to sin theta is less than or equal to 1. Done.